This is the electric Conical Burr coffee grinder that I got from Shopee. The shop is in the description box below. Just a quick rundown of the features that this machine offers, or at least claims to offer, is that it runs on a 165 watts DC motor, 220 volts, perfect for Philippine standards. It is running on 350 to 450 revolutions per minute on a 40 millimeter stainless steel conical burr grinder. So that in combination will give us little to no impact on the taste of your coffee beans during the grinding process because of less heat distribution. So now that I am struggling with the plastic, so you can see now that the coffee machine is quite small, sleek, perfect for home use, and this is what the plug looks like. If you don't have the adapter, you need to buy one because it will not give you free. This is also the 100 grams ground coffee jug, and if you remove the lid, that is just it. It claims to have a patent for anti-splash coffee powder system, so hopefully it won't be too messy. This is the lid for the 275 grams coffee bean holder and the brush, and that is just the warning sign.